like, comment, subscribe, click the bell to be notified when I drop a video. So today, you guys, I boiled me some water. I'm gonna be doing a review on the neti pot. This is my neti pot. I purchased it from my local drugstore at Walgreens. It was like $15.99. And Nonie Mae from YouTube, she told me about this product, and it helped with like allergies and sinuses and flu. So, and it come with solution salt. They come like this. I got 2 packets. You're gonna need a measuring cup for your water. You need this distilled water at the Kroger's or your local grocery store. But I used the tap water from the sink, and I boiled it last night, so it's at room temperature, so it's a little cold. So do I need to heat it back up some? Cause I let it sit out all night, so it's a little. And you gotta wash your hands. This should be ready. It's a little cold, so I'm gonna warm it back up. So let me put it back on the stove. Heat up for a little bit. I heated it up last night, so I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit. So this is the neti pot or whatever, and you don't want it to be too hot. You want it to be, like I said, at room temperature. This is my first time doing the neti pot, so excuse my hair, yeah. I put it in a ponytail. So I then feel like brushing it. I'm brushing in a minute. I wanted to do this video, and then they said to yeah, but this how it look. This was like $15. Let me turn on the light. It was $15 at Walgreens where I live at, and I wanted to do the video. Yeah. So I'm getting this together. I'm letting it heat up a little bit. This should be fine. I'm gonna just let it heat up, because I'm gonna put this whole packet on meat too. This should be great. I'm gonna turn it on. So I open it. I already washed my hands. It say wash your hands. So I put the solution in first. And you do it, if I'm doing it now, I have to do, sorry about that later. I do it again. I do it again when I go to bed at night. I'm gonna do it again when I go to bed. Get that out y'all way. Hold on, I'm trying to set y'all up. Looks like it's still gonna be that way. Hold on for a minute. Trying to get y'all. I'm gonna set y'all like that. Hold on, let me pour the water in here. I just heated it up to be like bath water temperature. I'm gonna use about that much for now. I filled it up in the measuring cup. It's like I said, it's alright. So we're about to learn how to do the neti pot. Fill it up halfway. This should be fine. And then tighten it up and put your hand on the nozzle shake it up. Shake the solution up. Make sure it's tight. So let me know in the comments down below, hey, y'all tried the neti pot. So they say, why is the water coming out? So you're gonna need a tissue to blow your nose after. So I shook it up, y'all. So I don't got no camera. It say hold it like this. Tip your nose. I'm trying to let y'all see. Hold on, y'all. So I'm gonna tip my head like this in the sink. It's supposed to come out the other notches. I don't know if I'm doing this right, yeah. I can feel it in my nose. Like the other side was supposed to come out, and it was coming out. So let me finish. They say if it get a little bit in your mouth, just spit it out. I can feel it is trying to work. So let me finish it. Hold on. Put it in there. It's going down the side of my shirt. Hold on. Oh, shit. Get my shirt wet. Oh, my God. I can feel it, like, in my nostrils, y'all. I gotta finish that side. Then we gotta do the other side. And I'm gonna do it again at nighttime. You gotta blow your nose. But they don't get none on my damn clothes. Hold on, y'all. Selfie stick on. So, my whole shirt got wet, y'all. I gotta get another tissue. Alright. When you got, it's good. They say it's good, like when you got allergies or something. This the rest of it, so I gotta. This the rest of this left. So I'm gonna finish it. Tip your head. Huh. It's alright if you get it in your mouth, a little bit. can feel my ear popping. So, hold on, y'all. We gonna do the other side. So that was it. So that's the way. Hope I'm doing it right. So it's getting all on the shirt. The water. So that was it for that. Let me rinse that out. And then do the other side. You gotta repeat the steps. That's what it says. So I'm gonna add the other packet. Got this upside down. I apologize. So I'm adding the other solution in there. Like I say, I boiled my water last night and heated it up again. So I'm gonna fill it up like I did the first one. Do it twice a week. Yeah, twice a week. One in the morning, one at night. Okay. So, got that up. Let me shake it up. I'm about to do the other side, y'all. I don't got no stand, so I don't got those stairs, so y'all gotta bear with me. I'm just shaking the solution up. Throw this away, Donna. I'm doing a video. I'm just shaking the solution up again and go on my other side, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Sorry, it's all over the place. I'm just shaking the solution up. You gotta put your thumb over there. Make sure you wash your hands real good when you first do it. And wash your hands again after the fact. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We'll go do this other side. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if y'all would try this out, like, because of your allergies or cold. It helps with flu or cold, sinus congestion, I'm thinking I'm saying it right, and sinus infections and all that good stuff. So I did it now, and then I do it again at nighttime. Process. So hold on. Okay, we're going to do the other side. Basically, tipping it over. I'm going to do this. I can't hold the camera. Show them. Let me do the other side. I'm just trying to do this side. My other nose. Yeah, see, I'm going to slide down. Because he don't want to help. You got to bend over. You tip. So y'all can see. Tip. Right there. Then like that. It's going down. It's dry. Hold on. Hold on. Need some tissue. And I'm going to clean the sink out. So don't come for me. They say to blow your nose. I can feel it working though. Let me finish out my solution. Tip it over. Do your hair like this. Y'all see it coming out on your other nostrils? You can't breathe. You gotta breathe out your nose, be out your mouth. Whew. Man. Hold on, y'all. Okay. They did say it get a little bit in your mouth. My bad, y'all. Woo. The best of my shirt. That's alright. I changed my shirt. Ooh, I had to get the other out. So that's it for that video, y'all. Sorry. But I had to actually give y'all my review on it. The neti pot. This help is open up my clear way in my nose for my sinus infection. So I'm glad that Nonie Mae on YouTube told me to go get it. So I'm glad I did. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I feel it working, y'all. It helping. Like all that is opening up. So I'm gonna do it again tonight and stuff like that. So yeah, glad y'all enjoyed the video. Hope this helped other people. I know this TMI, but if you in a situation like me and you got allergies and sinus infections and stuff like that, and you know weather keep changing, go grab y'all one of them at your local drugstore. And yeah, peace out. Happy Friday.